Hello, I am AI anchor Sana, welcoming you all in Aaj Tak AI special show AI to Z. Let's have a look on big AI updates around the world today. Russian President Vladimir Putin has signed a bill allowing the introduction of a digital version of the ruble, making Russia the largest country to implement a central bank digital currency, CBDC. The digital ruble pilot program, led by the Bank of Russia, will start on 1st August, giving citizens an additional currency option. While global interest in CBDCs grows, Russia has banned private cryptocurrencies for domestic payments. The success of the digital ruble pilot will be closely watched to assess its impact on Russia's economy and financial landscape. Microsoft's AI chatbot, Bing Chat, powered by OpenAI's GPT-4 model, will soon be accessible on non-Microsoft browsers like Google Chrome and Safari. The expansion comes after quiet testing with select users, with some Windows users already receiving pop-ups to try Bing Chat in Chrome or accessing it on Bing.com. However, there are limitations in Chrome, with only 5 messages per conversation and 2,000 characters allowed. Despite Microsoft's silence on specific details, Bing Chat's growing presence shows significant progress in reaching a broader audience across different platforms. Aditya Birla Capital, a leading financial services company, has introduced OneVerse, a virtual metaverse launch in collaboration with Hexaware, a technology partner. As one of the first in the Indian non-banking financial industry to create a virtual branch in the Metaverse, customers can access various financial products and receive personalized advisory services. The virtual launch offers seamless access to financial solutions, including self-service channels and a WhatsApp bot. The company ensures accessibility through websites, mobile apps, and via headsets, with plans to expand to Apple Vision Pro, revolutionizing the financial services industry and enhancing customer engagement. Stability AI's Carper AI Lab has introduced Willy 1 and Willy 2, powerful large language models, LLMs, available for public use. Willy 1 uses supervised fine-tuning, SFT, on a synthetic dataset in alpaca format, while Willy 2 utilizes the Llama 270B base model. Both models have demonstrated exceptional reasoning capabilities across various tasks and benchmarks. The training process was efficient and environmentally friendly, surpassing even ChatGPT on GPT-3.5 in some cases. The open-source nature of these models is expected to unlock new possibilities in AI and natural language processing, empowering researchers and developers. During a BRICS meet in Johannesburg, India's National Security Advisor, Ajit Doval, emphasized the need for collaborative action to address cyber risks arising from disruptive technologies like AI, big data, and IoT. He stressed the importance of Global South nations overcoming resource limitations to tackle cybersecurity challenges effectively. Doval also highlighted the concerning connection between cyber criminals and terrorists, emphasizing the urgency of a comprehensive and collaborative approach. He expressed concern over the vulnerability of the younger population to extremist ideologies spread through social media and engaged in bilateral meetings to strengthen cooperation in cybersecurity. That's all for now in AI to Z. Thanks for watching Aaj Tak AI. We will meet next time in next show. Keep watching Aaj Tak AI. Goodbye.